Let's get down to business now. Look at some of the other headlines that we are watching. One of them involves French cement maker LaFarge. It's going to pay $778 million in penalties for conspiring to support the Islamic State and an al-Qaeda affiliate. In 2013 and 2014, the company made regular payments to the Islamic State to protect its cement plant in Syria from attack. That agreement evolved into a de facto revenue-sharing scheme in which LaFarge actively concealed payments by forging invoices. Although LaFarge's Syrian subsidiary involved in the scheme is now defunct, the company's guilty plea marks the first time a company has been charged with providing material support and resources to a terrorist organization. Chipmaker TSMC could expand its production capacity in Japan, this according to the Wall Street Journal. That move helps Taiwan Semiconductor hedge its chip production against potential conflicts over Taiwan, all as an increasingly belligerent China continues to claim the self-governed island as part of its territory. A new Japanese plant would be in addition to one already established in Kyushu and would focus on chips used in automobiles and sensors. And billionaire MacKenzie Scott is donating $84.5 million to the Girl Scouts. It's the largest donation by a single person to that youth program. Scott, who divorced Amazon founder Jeff Bezos in 2019, had earlier pledged to give away about half of her fortune to charity. The Girl Scout says the funds will be used to expand STEM and career training in its programs.